For over 70 years, the Toyota Land Cruiser has stood as a global benchmark for durability, reliability, and unparalleled off-road capability. It's more than just an SUV, it's an expedition partner, a workhorse, and a symbol of adventure. But what exactly goes into crafting such a legendary vehicle? Today, we're diving deep into the heart of a Toyota Megafactory, a vast complex where cutting-edge technology meets meticulous Japanese craftsmanship to produce this iconic machine. We'll uncover the processes, the scale, and the philosophy that ensures every Land Cruiser is ready to conquer the world's most challenging terrains. The Land Cruiser's formidable reputation isn't accidental, it's the result of uncompromising engineering designed to withstand the harshest environments on Earth. From the scorching deserts of Africa to the icy tundras of Siberia, this vehicle must perform flawlessly. This extreme resilience begins not just on the drawing board, but within the very walls of its production facility. Every material, every weld, and every component choice is a deliberate step towards building an SUV that can shrug off challenges that would cripple lesser vehicles. It's a commitment to longevity that defines the Land Cruiser experience. Before we delve into the intricate details, let's grasp the sheer scale of operations. A modern Toyota Land Cruiser Megafactory is an industrial marvel, sprawling across vast areas and employing thousands. These facilities are designed for high-volume, high-quality production, leveraging advanced logistics and automation. For instance, a typical Land Cruiser factory might cover an area equivalent to over 200 football fields, with an annual output designed to meet global demand for tens of thousands of units. This incredible capacity ensures consistent supply and underscores Toyota's investment in this flagship model. Our journey begins in the stamping shop, a place of immense power and precision. Here, colossal hydraulic presses, some exerting thousands of tons of force, transform flat sheets of high-strength steel into the intricate body panels of the Land Cruiser. These aren't just any panels, they are engineered for structural rigidity and impact absorption. The steel itself is meticulously selected for its specific properties, its tensile strength and ductility. Dies, which are incredibly precise molds, are crafted with micron-level accuracy, ensuring every panel perfectly matches the vehicle's design specifications, a critical first step in achieving the Land Cruiser's legendary structural integrity. The Land Cruiser's legendary toughness is fundamentally rooted in its body-on-frame construction. Unlike unibody vehicles, where the body and frame are integrated, the Land Cruiser features a separate, robust ladder frame. This frame, fabricated from thick, high-strength steel beams, provides exceptional torsional rigidity and durability, crucial for off-road performance and towing. In this section, automated systems precisely cut, bend, and assemble these massive steel components, creating the backbone of the vehicle. Every joint and crossmember is designed to withstand incredible stresses, ensuring the Land Cruiser's longevity even under the most demanding conditions. Once the individual frame components and body panels are ready, they move to the welding shop, a dazzling display of robotic automation. Hundreds of highly synchronized robotic arms dance in a precise ballet, applying thousands of spot welds and arc welds with unwavering accuracy. This isn't just about speed, it's about consistency and strength. Robotic welding ensures uniform penetration and bead quality, which is vital for the structural integrity of the vehicle. Each Land Cruiser chassis requires over 5,000 individual welds, and robots execute the vast majority, guaranteeing that critical tolerances are met every single time, forming a cohesive, indestructible unit. While automation handles the bulk of the welding, specific critical areas still benefit from the expertise of highly skilled human technicians. These might include complex, multi-layered joints or components that require a nuanced touch and visual inspection that even the most advanced sensors can miss. These skilled welders, often trained for years, perform what are known as manual arc welds or resistant spot welds in intricate sections. This collaborative approach, combining robotic efficiency with human judgment, ensures that every Land Cruiser meets Toyota's exacting standards for structural integrity and safety, creating a synergy between man and machine. Protecting the Land Cruiser's robust structure from the elements is paramount, especially given its intended use in harsh environments. The paint shop is a high-tech fortress designed for this purpose. After welding, the vehicle bodies undergo an extensive multi-stage cleaning and preparation process, including immersion in zinc phosphate baths for anti-corrosion treatment. This electrocoat, or e-coat, is crucial. It's an electrophoretic deposition process that uniformly coats the entire body, even complex internal cavities, creating an impenetrable barrier against rust and corrosion. Without this critical step, even the strongest steel would eventually succumb to the elements. Beyond the e-coat, the Land Cruiser receives several more layers of paint, each serving a specific function. First, a primer coat smooths out any minor imperfections and provides a strong base for subsequent layers. Next, the base coat, which is the color layer, is applied with robotic precision to ensure an even, flawless finish. Finally, multiple clear coats are added. These clear coats are vital for protecting the color from UV damage, minor scratches, and environmental contaminants, while also providing the vehicle's glossy, durable exterior finish. This entire multi-layer process not only enhances aesthetics but critically contributes to the vehicle's long-term resilience. Concurrently with body production, the Land Cruiser's powerful engine and transmission are meticulously assembled in a separate, equally high-precision facility. These powertrains, renowned for their reliability and robust torque, are built to withstand the same demanding conditions as the rest of the vehicle. From intricate valve train assembly to crankshaft installation, every step involves tight tolerances and rigorous quality checks. Once fully assembled and tested on a dynamometer to verify performance metrics, these complete engine transmission units are ready to be integrated into the chassis, forming the powerful heart of the Land Cruiser. This is where all the disparate components converge into a cohesive vehicle. The main assembly line is a masterclass in logistics and synchronization, often employing Toyota's famous just-in-time (JIT) system. This means parts arrive at the precise moment they are needed, minimizing inventory and maximizing efficiency. Robots lift the painted body onto the rolling chassis, and then a carefully choreographed sequence of human workers and automated guided vehicles, or AGVs, install everything from wiring harnesses and brake lines to dashboards and seats. Each station has a specific time window, ensuring a smooth, continuous flow of production. In modern automotive manufacturing, the balance between human dexterity and robotic precision is a constant optimization challenge. While robots excel at repetitive tasks with micron-level accuracy, humans bring invaluable cognitive abilities. Machines can perform millions of identical welds without fatigue, ensuring structural consistency. However, a human eye can spot a nuanced paint defect or an irregularly fitted panel that a machine sensor might miss, especially those outside program parameters. The Land Cruiser production embodies this hybrid approach, leveraging the strengths of both to achieve superior quality and adaptability in its assembly processes. Inside the cabin, the Land Cruiser blends rugged durability with surprising comfort and luxury. This is where craftsmanship comes to the fore. Skilled technicians meticulously install the dashboard, steering column, and infotainment systems, followed by the careful fitting of upholstery and interior trim. The choice of materials is deliberate, robust fabrics and leathers designed to withstand years of use, often in harsh conditions, yet still provide a premium feel. Every switch, every seam, and every panel fit is rigorously checked, ensuring that the interior lives up to the Land Cruiser's reputation for quality, functionality, and enduring appeal. Toyota's commitment to quality, embodied by the Kaizen philosophy of continuous improvement, is evident at every stage. But before a Land Cruiser leaves the factory, it undergoes a battery of comprehensive inspections. These aren't just superficial checks, they involve hundreds of specific checkpoints covering everything from alignment and fluid levels to electrical systems and paint finish. Technicians use advanced diagnostic tools and their trained eyes to detect the slightest anomaly. A single vehicle might pass through over 300 quality gates, each designed to catch potential issues, ensuring that only vehicles meeting the highest standards proceed to the next stage. The Land Cruiser's ultimate purpose is off-road dominance, and the factory tests reflect this. Rather than simply driving them off the line, vehicles are subjected to simulations that mimic extreme conditions. This can include specialized test tracks with articulation ramps to check suspension travel, water wading pools to verify seals and electronics, and even dynamometers that simulate heavy loads and steep inclines. This rigorous testing regime, often including noise and vibration analysis, ensures that every Land Cruiser rolling off the line is not just assembled correctly, but performs as intended under the very conditions it was engineered to conquer. With all functional tests complete and quality checks passed, the Land Cruiser moves to the final detailing area. Here, skilled hands apply the finishing touches. This includes a thorough cleaning, a final exterior polish, and the meticulous installation of any accessories or badges. This stage is not just cosmetic, it's a last chance for human eyes to perform a comprehensive aesthetic inspection, ensuring that every curve, every panel gap, and every surface is absolutely perfect before the vehicle is prepared for shipment. It's the final testament to the factory's dedication to presenting a flawless product. Once a Land Cruiser passes all checks, it's ready for its global journey. The sheer volume of vehicles produced requires an incredibly sophisticated logistics network. Finished vehicles are moved to vast staging areas, then loaded onto specialized car carriers, trains, or even ships, depending on their final destination. This global distribution network is a critical component of Toyota's operation, ensuring that Land Cruisers can reach customers in over 170 countries, often in remote regions where their reliability is not just a preference, but a necessity. This global reach reinforces the Land Cruiser's status as a truly international icon. Modern megafactories like Toyota's aren't just focused on output, they are increasingly adopting sustainable manufacturing practices. This includes optimizing energy consumption through renewable sources, reducing waste through recycling programs, and minimizing water usage in various processes. Toyota aims for zero emissions in its production facilities by integrating advanced energy management systems and utilizing technologies like solar panels and efficient lighting. This commitment to environmental stewardship ensures that while the Land Cruiser conquers challenging terrains, its production footprint is as light as possible, aligning with global efforts for greener industrialization. A hallmark of Toyota's manufacturing prowess is the concept of Kaizen, meaning continuous improvement. This isn't a one-time initiative, but an ingrained philosophy. Every employee, from the assembly line worker to the senior engineer, is encouraged to identify inefficiencies or potential improvements. Feedback loops are constant, with data gathered from production lines, quality control, and even customer reports directly influencing future design and manufacturing processes. This iterative cycle of innovation ensures that the Land Cruiser, while respecting its heritage, continuously evolves, always striving for even greater levels of performance, reliability, and manufacturing excellence. So, what explains the Land Cruiser's enduring appeal across generations and continents? It's a combination of factors rooted deeply in its meticulous production. Its reputation for bulletproof reliability means owners trust it in life-or-death situations. Its off-road prowess allows access to remote locations, while its longevity provides exceptional resale value. The commitment to quality seen in every weld and paint layer translates directly into a vehicle that performs consistently for decades. This blend of capability, dependability, and lasting value solidifies its position, not just as a vehicle, but as a trusted companion for adventurers and professionals worldwide. The Land Cruiser production line is more than just an assembly plant, it's a living testament to Toyota's core manufacturing philosophy. It's a place where the pursuit of perfection, that Monozukuri approach, literally making things, is evident in every detail. This involves not just building great cars, but developing great people, fostering an environment where craftsmanship and innovation are continually refined. This dedication to quality and continuous improvement ensures that the Land Cruiser isn't just a product of a factory, but an embodiment of a profound manufacturing ethos. From the thunderous presses of the stamping shop to the final, meticulous inspection, the journey of a Toyota Land Cruiser through its megafactory is a fascinating blend of automation, human skill, and unwavering dedication to quality. It's a process meticulously engineered to create not just a vehicle, but a legend, a machine built to conquer, to endure, and to provide unwavering reliability wherever the road, or lack thereof, may lead. This deep dive reveals that the Land Cruiser truly is more than just a car. It's a meticulously crafted symbol of Toyota's engineering prowess and commitment to its global adventurers.